Okay guys, welcome to part 4 of this old meat shop. Took my crowbar and I got this piece of metal off. It wasn't too hard, I had to bend it a little bit, but as you can see, this piece here is pretty rough too. At the bottom part of the panel's rotten, both 2x4s up through here rotten, and the top plate's rotten. And I'm thinking this top plate goes all the way from this panel all the way to that panel. And then these two, in other words, these two sections, the two sides, the header and this side, was all really made to be installed together. So, luckily, other than a little rod at the top right here, that piece is still pretty well on there. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try to replace this bottom of it. These two 2x4s up the side and the top plate. Hey guys, I just want to show you some electrical issues I've run into. Notice this, at one time it smoked, so I was going to take these wires loose anyway, but as you can see, I'm going to have to replace them. The insulation's burnt slap off. This wire right here is charred. Right here, it's where my thumb's at right there. The insulation's burned off. Sorry for the sorry ass camera. And I don't know what to deal with. I guess they burnt the insulation off these and they just taped them up real good. But I'm going to take it loose anyway because this panel needs to come off and I can't get it off with all this stuff on it. So just want to let y'all see that. You never know what you're going to run into. Okay guys, I want to give y'all a little update. I was able to get these two 2x4s off all the way to the top. I got to get that little top plate off right there and do a little more vacuuming. But the biggest problem now, I've got to mate another 2x4 to this one. As you can see, it's got a profile on it. It's raised in the center. Here's part of it right here. That's how much it's raised in the center. You have to take off that much in the center of this one. Okay guys, so what I did is I cut it to length, took my router and just routed out about a 1/2 inch deep. It fits pretty good, but I've got to secure this plank to the cement so it's moving too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like I did this one. I'm just going to try to drill down and then put a couple anchors in it. Hopefully that'll work. Okay guys, I got this piece installed. I got one tap gun screw to go through. Never could get another one to drill. I need a hammer drill. Also silicone the seam there. And I'll cut off these hickeys here to give me room to get my hopefully this one ain't gonna be in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and get my top plate cut, go across here, go all the way across to that seam. I'm gonna get it screwed into the top, this top board, and then we'll be ready to put in these and build that section. Okay guys, we got back to town. Need to run and get a few more things, but I got this top plate installed, and one of the biggest reasons I went to town was to get this flashing. I wanted to help that out a little bit where it was so bad rusty. Come on, focus. There you go. So that's installed. I'm gonna come back and put some sheet metal screws in this or pop rivet or something. I did find a couple of 2x running down through here, so I was able to get a few nails in it. Then I'll come back and caulk all around everything. Well, now we're ready to get these two 2x4s in right here, and get this panel button back up. I'm gonna give y'all a shot of this before I get this panel back on. I did miss my measurements by a little bit down there. Apparently it was a little bit thicker than regular wood. But what really It really puts some strength in this panel. I can't even move this panel now. Now it's also screwed into the other panel in a few places. And plus that's glued and screwed to the floor now, so I don't believe I'm only going to need a bracket down there. I am still going to use those brackets on the inside of this one, because this one's going to carry the most weight. There's the two right here on this end. So we'll be using brackets there, but it's just a matter of getting these back on. And also got a new light. Now I may have to move that screw there out of the way. I also got a new light fixture to replace the old one, because I never can figure out how to get the old one apart. And I've never seen one quite like this. As you can see, it's screwed in, but other than that, I took the screws out, but nothing will come out of it, so I don't know. I do wish I'd picked up some more of that flexible cable in there. I'm going to try to use what I got. Okay guys, one last shot before I go for the night, because I've got to get another 2x4 to do this one. I forgot I had to have one on the inside like this, turned sideways. But what I ended up doing was went ahead and put this block in here, because that was so rotten it wouldn't tie in. And now boy, it ain't sure enough strong. I got all my metal wrapped around and nailed back down, and all I gotta do is finish rewiring, building this section, insulating, and putting the metal back in and hanging the door. So hopefully 2 more days I'll go back. I'll start working Monday through Friday starting tomorrow, so I'm gonna work on a little bit every evening, hopefully, till I get it done. So hopefully 2 to 3 evenings getting it done. All right, thanks for watching.